this is Sakshi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So in today's video, I am going to try fashion hacks by 5-minute craft. I am going to try 4 to 5 hacks and see if it works. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So for the first hack, I'll pop it in the screen. For this hack, we need a skirt and then we will make the skirt as a tube top. So let's see if this hack really works. This is the skirt that I'll be using. I'll just wear it. I'm going to wear it like this. Now with the help of this belt, I will tie it. Yeah, this is how it looks. This looks completely fine to me and it also looks very fashionable and trendy. This top is very secured. We don't have to take tension कि ये नीचे गिर जाएगा or something else. ये एकदम perfectly fine है. I'll give it a thumbs up and also I'll be wearing this very often. So yeah, let's move on to the next hack. In this hack, she took a t-shirt. Okay, so let's try it out. I wore this t-shirt and now I'll be using this bangle to make it a crop top. So yeah, this is how it turned out. This looks completely fine and fashionable, but it is not very secure. But I can wear it for like 1 hour 45 minutes. It's fine. But uske baad you will have to adjust it bar because it's very loose from this side. I'll give it 7 on 10. On to our next hack. In this hack, she took a palazzo. So yeah, let's try it. I took this palazzo. So now I'll put both my legs into this. So in one leg, my entire body fitted well. Now I'll use this bangle again and put it inside. This is unbelievable. This dress looks amazing. I just loved how beautifully a palazzo has been turned into a dress. The only thing that you'll have to take care is that the material of the palazzo should be thick. And also I'm going to wear it very often with different colors of palazzo obviously. For this dress, it's definitely a thumbs up from my side. Next hack, we need palazzo. So she did the same thing with one leg. Okay, let's try it. Now I'm having high expectations. This looks very fashionable as well. And also if I'll have to wear it for like 1 hour 45 minutes, I will wear it. But this dress is not comfortable. It is very tight from this side. So yeah, I'll give it a 7 on 10 again. So yeah, let's move on to our next hack. In this hack, we need a t-shirt. Okay. So yeah, let's try it out. This is the t-shirt. So this is how it turned out. Firstly, I would like to say this is disaster. I did not like this style and also it is not at all comfortable. You cannot move your hands around. It's definitely a thumbs down from my side. So now let's move on to the next hack. So moving on to our last hacks. For this one we need 2 shirts. Okay. Basically this hack is for the ones who cannot select one shirt. These are my 2 shirts. Now I'm struggling to wear this shirt. So yeah, this is how it turned out. I didn't like it at all. आगे से तो it's फिर भी fine, पर पीछे से इसका क्या करूँ मैं? I'll give it a thumbs down. Yeah, this was my take on viral fashion hacks. Most of the outfits were amazing and I'm definitely going to try. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye. See you next time.